which allowed it to detect prey from long distances. It likely used ambush tactics, relying on bursts of speed to overtake its victims. Liopleurodon's diet consisted of a variety of marine life, including fish. A large prehistoric fish like Leedsichthys were potential targets. Squid-like cephalopods, soft-bodied creatures similar to modern squid and cuttlefish. Ichthyosaurs, dolphin-like marine reptiles that were fast but vulnerable to ambush attacks.
Other plesiosaurs and plesiosaurs, Liopleurodon may have even preyed on smaller marine reptiles, making it a true super predator of its time. With Liopleurodon's strong bite force and sharp teeth, it could deliver a devastating attack, ripping large chunks of flesh from its prey. Some fossils suggest that Liopleurodon may have engaged in battles with other marine reptiles, leaving behind bite marks that indicate violent encounters. Liopleurodon was a highly efficient swimmer, using its 4 large flippers to generate thrust in the water. While some marine reptiles, like mosasaurs, relied on tail movements similar to modern sharks, Liopleurodon's limb-driven propulsion gave it excellent maneuverability. This would have been advantageous in chasing down prey or making sharp turns to ambush its victims. Scientists believe Liopleurodon was capable of short bursts of high speed, allowing it to strike quickly before prey could escape. However, its body shape suggests it was more suited for powerful lunges rather than long-distance chases. Liopleurodon fossils have primarily been found in Europe, particularly in England, Oxford Clay Formation, France, Germany. The first fossils of Liopleurodon were discovered in France in the 19th century. The name Liopleurodon means smooth-sided tooth, referring to the smooth enamel of its teeth. Fossils of related plesiosaurs have also been found in South America, indicating that these massive marine reptiles may have had a widespread distribution. Share a pic of Liopleurodon gained worldwide fame from the 1999 BBC documentary Walking with Dinosaurs, where it was depicted as a 25-meter-long sea monster. However, while the documentary exaggerated Liopleurodon's size, it accurately portrayed it as a fearsome apex predator of the Jurassic seas. Liopleurodon has also appeared in various books, video games, and films, often depicted as one of the most dangerous marine reptiles of all time. Liopleurodon and other plesiosaurs eventually disappeared by the end of the Jurassic period, likely due to environmental changes and competition from new predators. By the time of the Cretaceous period, other marine reptiles, such as mosasaurs and long-necked plesiosaurs, became the dominant species in the oceans. However, fossils of Liopleurodon and other plesiosaurs provide valuable insights into the evolution of marine predators, showcasing how these reptiles adapted to life in the oceans and became some of the most efficient hunters of their time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible Liopleurodon and other prehistoric creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. See you in the next video.